Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I'm just going to be talking about some of the software that we're going to be using in this course. Now, there's not a lot of actual software since most of the stuff we're going to be doing is built straight into CSS and HTML, but we do need a text editor. And if you want to go ahead and use Notepad, go ahead, but I wouldn't really recommend that because it is quite hard to use when you're developing things. So I recommend this text editor right here. It's called Sublime Text. It gives you all of the color coding and formatting that you need. It makes things really easy for you. So you can go ahead to the website here. It's attached to the lecture resources. If you go ahead and click in the top left corner in the bullet list icon, you can go ahead and find the lecture contents and downloadable resources. So go ahead, check out this website, and depending whether you're on Windows or Mac or Linux, you go ahead and download this. And yeah, that should be pretty much it. So this is what it's going to look like when you're inside. I was just typing a little bit of stuff here, making sure things were working. So there you go. This is what it's going to look like. Once you download it, we'll go through and actually set everything up as we go through this course. All right, let's move on.